Hello, my name is Manish Yadav. I am from Haryana. I completed my BTech from Rajasthan Technical University. Job searching is most challenging task, but thank you for your support eVision team. I got selected in WIPRO. In eVision, I got supported from Anamika ma'am, Pushbu ma'am, Rahul sir, Ganesh sir, Sati madam. All our team are very supported and knowledgeable. His teaching way is excellent. If you have doubts about session, sir explain in easy way. I think eVision TechnoServe is great platform to grow myself. The trainer are very helpful. They support and motivate me to learn something new. Thank you, eVision.